Naveen of Agra sent 50 TV sets. Each cost is 15,000 rupees to Shravan of Warangal. Be sold on consignment basis. He incurred the following expenses: freight 2,000 rupees, loading charges 2,000 rupees, and insurance 5,000 rupees. Total consignor expenses is 9,000 rupees, 2,000 freight, loading 2,000 rupees, insurance 5,000 rupees. Consignor total expenses 9,000 rupees. It is debit side in consignment account. Goods sent on consignment is also debit side in consignment account. Next, Shravan sold 45 TV sets for 7,50,000 rupees. Paid 10,000 rupees shop rent. Here remember one thing, shop rent is recurring expenses. No need to take into accounts at the time of unsold stock. Only the 10,000 rupees will be debited in consignment account, which is to be the borne by Naveen as per the terms and conditions of consignment. Consignee is entitled commission of 200 per TV sold. And how many TVs are sold? 45 at the rate of 200 rupees. It will be 9,000 rupees commission. Next, assume that Shravan settled the account by sending bank draft to Naveen. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of Naveen and Shravan. Both the parties, means 4 accounts. In consignor, consignment account, consignee account, goods sent on consignment account. In the consignee books, only one account, it is consignor account. This is overall view about the ninth problem. Come to the ninth problem. 2 goods sent on consignment account. 50 TVs at the rate of 15,000. Okay, 15 5s are 75, and for the 4 zeros, 7,50,000 rupees is goods sent on consignment value. Next, consignor expenses. 2 cash 2,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees plus 5,000 rupees, total 9,000 rupees. Consignee expenses already. What is the consignee name? Shravan. ₹10,000. Shravan expenses. 2 commission Shravan account 45 at the rate of 200 rupees commission, 9,000 rupees. By sales means Shravan account. Why? Because Shravan is selling on behalf of the consignor. So 45 TVs are selling at the rate of 45 TVs are selling at 7,50,000 rupees. Total amount is given 7,50,000 rupees. And come to the unsold stock value. Total goods sent on consignment 50 TVs. They are selling 45 TVs. Remaining is 5 TVs. 5 TVs cost is 15,000. Nothing but 75,000 rupees goods unsold stock cost. What are the expenses spent by the consignor? 9,000 at the rate of 5 by 50. 0 cancel. 5 cancel, nothing but 900 rupees. And no need to take the consignee expenses. Why? Because only one expenses is spending shop rent. The shop rent is recurring expenses. It is not non-recurring expenses. It is not and non-recurring expenses. So non-recurring expenses, if is any there, and we will consider as per proportion of unsold stock, and so there is no consignee non-recurring expenses in this problem. No need to take in account. So amount is 75,900 rupees is unsold stock value. Unsold stock value. The same unsold stock value write here only by consignment stock account. Nothing but unsold. 75,900 rupees. Total them. Okay. 7,50,000. 75,900 rupees. 0, 0, 9, 5, 12, 8,25,900 rupees. 0, 0, 9, 5, 12, 1, 8 lakhs 25,900 rupees. 8 lakhs 25,900 rupees. Find out what is the balance, and on debit side 18,000 plus 10,000, 28,000 plus 7,50,000, 7,78,000, 7,78,000 rupees. 7,50,000, 7,60,000, 78,000 rupees. Deduct from that 0, 0, 9, 15, 7. Next, 11, 4. 12 होते 11 into 4, 47,900 rupees. To profit or loss account. Within the bracket, profit. Okay, consignment account is completed. Come to the consignee account. In consignee account only record consignee related transactions. Consignee sales, consignee expenses, consignee commission. So in consignment account write as Shravan account. In Shravan account to Warangal consignment account. Amount is 7,50,000, and there is no advance in this problem. So if any advance is there, cash, bank or bills receivable, no advance. For expenses, In consignment account, you write as Shravan account. In Shravan account, you have to write Warangal consignment account. Warangal consignment account. Amount is 10,000 rupees consignee expenses. Next, for commission by Warangal consignment account, amount is 9,000 rupees. Finally says sending bank draft. So first total them 7,50,000. 7,50,000. Find out what is the difference between 7,50,000 minus 19,000. 7,50,000 minus 19,000. 0, 0, 0, 10, 1, 4, 3, 7. 7,31,000 rupees. 7,31,000 rupees. Write by bank account. Why have to write bank account? Send through bank draft. So you have to write bank account. Otherwise, balance carried on. Balance carried on. This is the and consign account. Come to the goods sent on consignment account. Here goods sent on consignment account appear on the debit side. It is also appear on the credit side, goods sent on consignment by Warangal consignment account. By Warangal consignment account. Amount is 7,50,000. So 7,50,000 rupees. The same amount must be transferred to trading account. 7,50,000 rupees. 7,50,000 rupees. This is the ledger accounts in the books of consignor for ninth problem. Ninth problem, last one ledger account, consignee, books, consignor account. If any advance is there, to write cash, bank or bills payable. There is no advance. Next, consignee expenses to cash account. Consignee expenses. Amount is 10,000 rupees shop rent. Next, commission amount is 9,000 rupees. 45 TVs at the rate of 200 rupees. By cash account 7,50,000 rupees. 45 TVs are selling at 7,50,000 rupees. So first total them 7,50,000 rupees. 7,50,000 rupees. The balance is to bank. This is difference between credit and debit balance. 7,50,000 minus 19,000. 7,31,000 rupees balance. Why you have to write bank account? Especially in the problem they are mentioned settled with bank draft, send or bank draft. So that time you have to mention bank account. Otherwise, to balance carried on. To balance carried on. This is the ninth problem.